This vlog is a title of the spoken poetry. Oh, mahal. As we're walking in the road to the sidewalk, all I can see is just the bridge and the sun. You think I have a daughter? No, I am my mother's son. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Pero dalawa lang yung pa ako. That's why I could not believe this. Because the water that symbolizes the liquid is the hometown of my favorite squid. Squidward? No. She's the Patrick of my life. She is the star of my starfish from the root word of my root canal. And how can I say that? I'm just slippery when wet. Don't worry. You just need to write your name and wait. Oh, really? Then why did he overtake? It's because of the saying, take and take until you receive. What a beautiful life if I'm with you. You take away all my sorrows and all my sufferings. I'm so tired, I want to eat onion rings. But no, we are still so far from reality. Why did we jog here in SRP? Am I kidding? No, I'm an adult. But we should not forget our infancy. Because happiness is a joy in different spelling. How did I know? Duh, basic, I joined a spelling bee. Napagod na ako mag-English, mag-Tagalog na naman ako. Oh mahal, isa kang tulay. Sa tuwing nakikita kita, tumutulo ang aking laway. Isa lang ang hiling ko. Pwede bang makita ang iyong blue shirt? Baka kasi kasya sa akin, tapos hiramin ko muna kasi nilaban pa ni mama yung mga damit ko. Wala akong magamit bukas. Sheesh! Ang bilis ko mag-spoken poetry! Sa bawat segundo na tayo ay naglalakad, dasal ko na hindi ako malaglag kasi hindi ako marunong lumipad. Araw-araw, gabi-gabi, tanghali-tanghali, kitang iniisip. Grabe, maiyak ako guys. Naalala ko kasi ang bawat sandali na tayo ay magkayakap. Mga pagkakataon na pumunta ako sa eskwelahan ng walang baon para lang na makita ka. Oo, mahal kita. Meron bang nagtanong? Wala. Pero share ko lang na favorite ko yung talong na binigay mo sa akin nung tayo ay grade school pa lang. Hindi ko yun malilimutan kasi hindi masarap. Ang sarap idura. Pero nung makita ko ang iyong mukha, wow. Gusto ko na lang pumikit. Tila ba parang nawala lahat ng sakit. Hoy, Ibon. Gusto mo bang batuhin kita? Bakit kasi may ibon? Nag-spoken poetry pa ako. Going back, this feels like a dream because everything seems so perfect. The weather, my face, and the time that we are walking. Kung pwede lang sana na ganito araw-araw, wag naman sana kasi nakakapagod talaga. You are everything to me. You are so close to my heart. Please move 2 steps backward. Your wish is my command. Yun lang, nag-follow ng instruction. Sabi ko 2 steps lang, ang dami na nang ginawa. Because why would I believe your words when my brain and heart is telling me otherwise? Pakinggan nyo ha. Otherwise. Oh, diba? Akala nyo siguro nagsisinungaling ako, no? Why would I lie to the person that I love the most? Ay, sobrang init na. Ang sarap kumain ng ginamos. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. We are almost there. Malapit na tayo maging reindeer. Ay, mali. Kambing man yun. And that is the end of my spoken poetry. Till next time of our journey. What a journey it has been. Lagi niyong tatandaan. Ako si Jayat Gaming at huwag niyo kalimutang huminga. What a nice. Bye-bye.